When I first took this M209 into the Canyon roads, I was wildly impressed with the stability through turns, the front end feel, and the overall performance of the bike in those canyon roads. But I don't think I gave enough credit to these. These are the Bridgestone Battlax S22s, which are the latest in the Battlax series, replacing the S21. So the S22 makes use of a Tire Compound design in the rear tire. That's harder in the center, a bit softer and yet still rigid alongside the center of the tire. And then at the very edge of the tire, it's a soft compound for maximum stickiness at the edge. And two compounds are used on the front, hard in the center and soft on the sides. So Bridgestone claims a 15% reduction in lap times in dry conditions and a 5% reduction in lap times in wet conditions versus the S21. Now these are a super sport tire, which means they're built to live on the road, where most riders are, but are great for the occasional track day for those of us that are average to quick riders. Now if you want a true race tire, look at getting something that is purpose-built for the track. Additional benefits of the S22 are that they heat up quickly and they seem to be wearing quite consistently. Let's talk about wet conditions. Bridgestone has increased the silica content of these tires to increase performance in inclement weather. They've achieved this through the use of what they call Nano Pro Tech, which allows them to control the structural design of the tires at the molecular level, so they can maximize grip and maintain tire longevity. Basically, Bridgestone hires sourcers, and each tire comes with a little bit of magic. Now it's hard to say what to expect from longevity. I've seen anywhere from 2,500 to 5,500 miles, and that's largely based on where you ride and probably how you ride. Now I have 2,200 miles on this set of tires, and based on how they're wearing so far, I expect to at least double this mileage. And listen, these tires aren't exactly cheap. A set of front and rears will run you somewhere between 320 and 360. Unless, of course, you've got a cousin Bobby who happened to get a few off the back of a truck. In which case, drop a comment so that we can all ride the affordable tire train. If you found any value, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.